Here is a new update on how you can delete your Instagram account in a few steps. Now, all you have to do, guys, to delete your Instagram account, you want to open your Instagram account, of course. And after that, guys, you want to click your profile at the very bottom right. Now, after you are on this page, you want to click three little lions in the top right. And after that, guys, you want to click on settings in the top. After you click on settings, you want to click on account. And a few different options will come up here. You want to scroll down a little bit and click on delete account. Now, two different options will come up here. If you want to delete your account permanently, select the second option, which is delete account. But if you want to delete it temporarily, select the first option that says deactivate account. Now, you clicked on this video because you want to delete it permanently. Now, just select the second option that says delete account. Now click continue deleting account, and here Instagram will ask you the reason why you want to delete your Instagram account. So just give them a simple, like a reason why you want to stop using Instagram. Click here and a few different options will come up here. I am going to select privacy concerns. I am concerned about my privacy. So just select this one. Scroll down a little bit and keep in mind that you have to enter your password before Instagram deletes your Instagram account, because they want to make sure that it's you who wants to delete your Instagram account. Now you want to click here where it says re-enter your password and make sure you enter here your Instagram password. Now after, guys, you enter the password, you want to scroll down a little bit and you will see this blue button here. Click on it that says here delete, and you will see your username next to it. You want to click delete here, and that's exactly, guys, how you can delete your Instagram account permanently. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. If you want to delete it temporarily, click the video in the screen and you will be able to delete your Instagram account temporarily.